CES 2025 Acre. We are at the Narwhal booth.
My name is Icy. I'm the head of the product marketing. So today I will guide you to our booth.
We're gonna take a tour. They have a big booth here. So why don't you take us around? Ball started in Shenzhen. They were one of the innovators of the robotic vacuum, actually.
This is our latest flagship 2025. Yeah, it comes with two different appearances. This is the water tank version. This is the compact station version.
I see.
Yeah, so the design is very slick and concise.
So for example, we've gone through many robotic vacuums, in our past, and so as you can see now. So this is the mopping. This is the vacuum, obviously, right? And this cleans it. Cleans the mop and the dustbin.
Yeah, this robot vacuum has the dirty water tank and the clean water tank itself, so it can clean the mop real time. And when the robot comes back to the station will do the self cleaning again.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah,
so as it's cleaning, so this is this rolls.
Rolls.
That's very cool.
It's different from the market models. We just spin and mop the floor, and then now we can collect the dirt from the floor to the dirty water tank real time.
I see.
Yeah.
And what is this? We can open this sliding
No. This is a design, not a.
Oh, that's just a design. Okay.
Yeah.
So with this machine, like this base, can you actually connect it into your house water supply?
Exactly. I will show you there.
Oh, I love that. That's the missing link right there. You can see.
Yeah.
You can see the water. You can go there.
Here. So this compact station has an all-in-one function in this base station.
This also goes to the sewer as well. It can get rid of the dirty water.
Exactly. Here we will connect to the home's water supply. They will refill the clean water from the supply and drains the dirty water automatically.
And you just need cold water, no hot water, right?
Yeah. No, we have the hot water.
Okay. So you can also pipe in hot water too.
This is the whole process for the self-cleaning. Once the robots will go back to the station, they will drain the dirty water first, and then they will refill this is the heater.
That heats it up, okay. Yeah. And then it cleans it.
Self-cleaning.
Got it, awesome.
Yeah, with the hot water. And drains the dirty water again.
That's great, that's great. Yeah. I want this compact model, but I'm imagining that it's a compact model because there's no water tank in it. The big one has a water tank in it,
yes.
Right? Okay.
This big one has the water tank inside, so everything goes automatically. But the only thing, once the water tank is out of water, you need to refill the water.
Yeah.
This is the only thing. Everything else.
Are you guys giving pricing right now? How much are these models?
In the US, the price would be $1,599. Yeah.
$1,599.
Yeah.
For both models?
I think the price gap would be $100 to $200, but not that much.
And this one is less or more?
Higher.
This is higher, even though it's less material.
Because it requires assemble for the water supply and everything.
Understood. Okay, so let's continue. Would you like to?
Continue.
Okay.
This is the main difference between the track mop to the dual round mop. This is the mop you can see everywhere in the market models.
Yep.
They just mop, spin, right?
Yeah, they're just.
And our track mop they rotate.
Yep.
And they collect the dirt to the dirty water tank. And we have the clean water tank, the dirty water tank, not only in the base station, also in the robot.
In the robot, there is a dirty water tank and a clean water tank. That's really cool. Okay. So, as obviously when you spill your soy sauce on the ground, what happens?
Yeah.
What about here? No.
Later.
Okay.
We'll show you one by one.
Okay. So make it clear. I see.
In the home.
right, so starting to mop. I mean, this should be the table stakes, right? This should be the new standard, but as you can see, this is the normal right now. So hopefully Narwhal's bringing the innovation, and this will be widely adopted.
Exactly.
So is it gonna self-clean right now?
Not now, because this is to show how it's mopped.
I see.
Yeah, but the robot itself, the real model, they will do the self-cleaning real time.
Right.
And could you press the button? We want to see the mopping station. 你知道吗? Yeah, James can help us. I just want to show you how the mopping extended.
So when you say it extends, it should just mop more? Like
not mop more. It's the robot, when the robot detects this is an edge or corner, they will automatically.
I see, because it's round, so it needs to get to the wall.
Yeah.
It needs to get close to the wall.
Yeah. Oh, it's out of battery.
It's out of battery. You gotta take her word for it.
Okay, this is the latest navigation in obstacle
Oh, look at that.
avoidance. Yeah, we have dual cameras inside, and also we have the AI chip. The AI chip is an autonomous driving level.
Okay.
With 10 times computing power. That means it can react very fast. Like the human eyes, the camera can see everything, and the AI chip can do the cleaning decisions real time.
I think what's missing though is a robotic arm.
Exactly.
Right? Uh-oh. That's next year. That's next year.
Yeah, next year.
Yep.
Actually, we have this technology, but we didn't bring here this time.
You heard that here first. The smoke. You heard the smoke right now.
This is a secret.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, this is the cable. The camera sees this is the cable, so they will have the decision. This should be self-avoidance.
Okay.
And this is the pets. Let's keep away.
Yeah, definitely.
And this is the solid dust. You need an intensive vacuum.
Okay, so it's doing obviously the labeling for us, but inside it knows it can object recognize.
Exactly, and this is the brain for the robot's vacuum, and the mopping system, the vacuum system, they will execute the cleaning task.
How long does the battery last?
The battery,
you know, this seems like not a very energy sipping operation, right? This takes a lot of computing power, doesn't it?
Actually, our coverage, the battery can last for 150 square meter, so it's not that consume the power.
Right.
Yeah.
150 square meters is quite a bunch. I'll put the number down in square feet, and then you can you can understand, like, it's not gonna have to charge often when it's doing your first floor, your living room, your kitchens.
So this is the navigation and obstacle avoidance technology. That's the mopping system.
Yeah.
Now.
I was about to ask with carpet. Okay.
Yes.
There we go.
Because as you know, our vacuum system is tangle-free, and the mopping system can collect dust in real time. And we have the latest advanced navigation. Now this is the carpet right now.
Okay.
We have detect the carpet. They will automatically lower down the cover over the roller brush. So this area will have the immediately increase the airflow pressure and reduce the air leakage, and the suction power immediately increased.
Right.
And also the roller brush will go deep into the carpet pile and pick up the dust.
How do you make sure that it doesn't get tangled with all the pet hair? That's the worst.
I will show you.
Oh, I love it.
I will show you.
I love it.
Yeah.
You can tell I'm very traumatized by my robot vacuum.
I will tell you data. The market model from our lab test, the dust pickup rate is around 30 to 30%. And our model this time, they can do the dust pickup rate reach up to 80%. Similar to the handheld vacuum cleaner.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will show you.
Love it.
We can do a demonstration.
Okay.
We have some salt here. Let's see.
Oh man, this is stressful. Let's go.
Yeah.
I would love to. All right, I'm seasoning the carpet right here, guys. Okay. Got some sodium.
Yeah.
Sodium chloride. Okay.
Yeah. Before that, I should tell you another highlight. Usually the robots go forward, right? And we have the cameras here.
Right?
And now we also have the LiDAR on the back.
LiDAR in the back. Jesus. Okay.
So we have designed a reverse path cleaning.
Elon Musk doesn't even use LiDAR on his cars, guys. So right now we are seeing something that, is
Yeah.
very advanced. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
It's very quiet.
Yeah,
It is extremely quiet. I don't know if it's coming on the camera, but
yeah. So
Wow.
this is the path, right?
Yeah.
The path is here.
you
It's
can
not
tell where
there.
I had the salt before, after.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing. Cool.
Amazing.
Very cool. Very
Yeah.
cool. I'm impressed.
And also here, later they will play loop. When the robot detects the carpet, they will automatically lift the mop.
Right.
So they don't get your
The mop.
carpet weight.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So the mop
Yeah,
lifts.
yeah,
Okay.
Exactly.
Very advanced. Very practical.
Mopping system, as I just show you, is a track mop, and this is another mop. This
Okay.
is the triangular. I just told you.
Yeah.
And the round mop, they have the gap in between.
Yeah.
And but for the triangular, we have the overlap.
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So you won't have any gap in between.
Geometry, guys.
Yeah. And also this mop can do the extension because the physical leg.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. That's very smart. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. This
Very
is the
cool.
mopping.
All
And
right.
see. And then they can swing. Yeah.
It's doing a little dance in your
Yeah.
kitchen. That's very cool.
Yes. And here is the tangle-free system. I have to show you. This is our exclusive design.
Exclusive design.
Yeah. This is a floating brush stroke with one side fixed and one side open, and also the shape is conic.
Okay.
So when
Conical.
You know, when you have the hair on the floor, the brush rotates high speed, and the hair will automatically direct to here, right?
Wow. Uh-huh.
And our section part is here.
Wow. Okay.
So it's a very smart design.
It is a very cool design.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the market models with this side fixed and also here fixed.
Yes, and it
So-
gets tangled. It's so
Exactly.
annoying. You got to pull it out. It doesn't
Exactly.
work. I might as well
Exactly.
just, brush my hair.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. And we
So conical. So using geometry to our advantage, right?
Yeah.
So this is the same on both the triangular mop as well as the roller mop.
The
Okay.
two different solutions. The difference is the mop.
Yeah.
But we have the same tangle-free system.
I would assume that the roller mop is a little more high end,
Yes.
right? Because
Yeah.
there's the self cleaning and.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay. Cool.
And also,
How much is this one?
this is I think we'll have $200 off compared to that one.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
less than that one.
Got
and
it.
Here's a small highlight here. Usually the saddle brush is V-shaped.
Yes.
It just rotates like this, right?
Yeah.
And we have the small design when it's go to the before after one area cleaning, they will automatically draw. If any hair tangled here, it's automatically reverse and direct the hair to here.
I'm speechless. I'm speechless. If they can solve the hair problem, like, it's over. It's game over, right? So I'm very
And-
excited.
One more surprise.
Oh
here.
my God. I can't take this
Yeah.
anymore. Yeah.
This is only direct the hair, right?
Yeah.
And now this is the longer. It can also reach the corner and edge.
I see. I see.
Because this usually like this, right?
Yeah.
And when the robots detect this is a corner or edge, and like this, so the original coverage is with this diameter,
Right.
and now you
It's
have longer.
this is like an inch more diameter.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have a demonstration here for the side brush extension. Because we have see we have the side structure lights. They can detect this is age.
Yep.
So they will automatically reverse the sand brush.
Oh.
See?
So you can get into this corner, this sharp
exactly.
corner.
You
Because
can-
think about it, a circle. It makes no sense.
Let's see from here.
Yep.
When cleaning robotics is added
Okay.
This is, you can't, right?
No, you can't.
Now,
What?
你这边支援一下，这个最大比牛来了，
OK，
赶紧
OK 好
这个也是。
好好好，
Yeah
这边搞完过去。
好。
Okay. So
Yeah.
你赶时间没事。 Okay.
And that's the demonstration for the environment.
Okay.
With the AI dodge technology, I mean the camera and the AI chip.
Just everything.
So it can just precisely avoid the tissue, cables, and everything.
Amazing.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, maybe you can take more videos filming. And,
We're gonna take B-roll.
Yeah, but we almost go through all of
We've gone through all of Narwhal. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Follow Narwhal on Instagram, Twitter. This is really
you.
exciting innovation. Yeah,
Thank you
definitely.
so much.
Yeah, absolutely. Cool.